Hey guys, welcome to another CodeTech Nexus episode. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 3D image for printing or for just graphic design purpose, or if you're going to turn that into a sticker. It's all up to you. But let's begin with the tutorial. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. That will definitely help me with my channel. We almost hit the 500. I really appreciate you guys' support. It will be nice if you subscribe. So first, we're gonna draw a triangle using the shapes here on the left corner on the dashboard. And we're gonna drag this down and make another copy here. Now pretty much what we're doing is drawing a house, the roof of a house, and we're gonna add the chimney there. Now we're gonna do this weld. Now we're gonna grab the same triangle that we drew, the exact same shape, and then we're gonna center this, clicking on the shift and then C for center, and it's center. Now we're gonna click here where it says trim, and it is trim. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of this. Now we're gonna draw a rectangle or square. It's more like a rectangle. All right, now let's make this lower. Now we're gonna go to arrange, click on shaping and do weld. Okay, what's this gonna do is we're gonna click here, double click, drag this dot and try to center with the triangle. And now we have a house. Now what we're gonna do is put like a door, because a house of course gotta have a door. Now we're gonna draw another square or rectangle here. You decide how big you want your door to be. We're gonna click shift and click on the shape and center, and now we're gonna trim. And there's the door. We'll get rid of that. All right, so now what we have here, it's a 2D image. It is not a 3D image yet. In order for you to make this a 3D, you gotta go to arrange, shaping, weld, and now we're gonna click here and go to window, go to Dockers and find the envelope. We're gonna click on add present and choose the very first one, and then click yes, apply. Now we can get rid of that. Now what we're gonna do is, since this is gonna be a 3D image, we're gonna make this home like facing this way. You can actually make it smaller if you want. It's up to you. Okay, now we have a home it's taking shape. It's on a 3D angle, but we're still missing some stuff. All right, so what we're gonna do now is make another copy here, and we can change this to another color if you want. So you can, depending on how long you want your house to be, you can actually make this, smaller, bigger, whatever. So now we're gonna go here on the left side and click on Bezier tool. Okay, this one. What this does is connects the dots or it traces an image. So we're gonna start with the tip of the house, of the roof here. One click, then hit the tip of the top of the roof on the red one. Go down here, then go. You know what, I'm actually gonna have to do this again. I forgot one little detail. I gotta send this to the back because I'm not able to see. There you go, now I can see it. make sure you do this step, okay? We're gonna start all over again. Start with the tip of the top of the roof, click, then click here, then click here, and finally close it here. Now what we're gonna do is do this bottom side here. All right, so it is very important that you follow this step. Now, you have two options here. You don't have to do this, what I'm doing right now, because I'll show you what I mean. You can still give this home shape if you want. All right, so now we can get rid of the red part area, and now we're gonna make this house all together. The roof first, but now here, let me double click and show you what I mean. If you, let me show you. If you make this weld, you're gonna lose the shape of this trim right here, okay? So what you can do is double click, drag this down a little bit and this down a little bit, okay? We can work on this as we go. Now, for now, let's now make this into one shape. Now you see this right here, this doesn't look good. What we can do is click here, get rid of that, get rid of that. Then we're gonna click on the right. It's a straight line, okay, we don't have to do anything, okay? Now, what we can do here is drag this a little bit more down and actually make this to line. Okay, I hope you see what I'm trying to do here. All right, now I'm not using my mouse, I'm sorry. It's much easier to use your mouse, but just make sure you follow the line, okay? You see that? It now looks way better. Now it looks much better. And that's how you make a 3D home. We started as a 2D image. Now it's a 3D image. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you what you can do with CorelDRAW. You just gotta practice and practice until you become better than me, actually. So thank you, guys. I just wanted to give you the idea. If you want to support my channel, I really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.